Want to make money while you sleep? In 2025, passive income is no longer just a dream. It's a strategy used by smart people all over the world. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or 9-to-5 employee, there are real ways to earn without trading your time for money. So in this video, we're breaking down 7 powerful passive income ideas that anyone can start today, even with zero experience. Let's dive in. Number 1, create and sell an online course. Where do we want men? Online education is booming in 2025. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable allow you to earn money by teaching what you know, whether it's cooking, Excel, digital marketing, or guitar. Record your lessons once, upload them, and get paid every time someone enrolls. It's a one-time effort with long-term payouts. 2, start a niche blog with display ads. One-to-one. Blogging is still alive and profitable, especially if you focus on a profitable niche like finance, travel, or health. You can monetize your blog using platforms like Google AdSense, Ezoic, or Mediavine. Once you have steady traffic, you'll earn passive income from ads without lifting a finger. Write once, earn forever. 3, affiliate marketing. One on mine. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale. You don't need to own anything. Just join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Impact Radius. Create content, blogs, videos, or reels, include your affiliate link, and earn every time someone buys through it, even months later. 4, YouTube automation channel. One eat and mine. This is a faceless YouTube channel where you don't appear on camera. Use tools like Canva, Pexels, and AI voiceovers to create videos like this one. Once monetized, you can earn from AdSense, affiliate links, and even sponsorships. One video can earn you money for years. 5, sell digital products. One in. Digital products like ebooks, planners, templates, or stock photos require no shipping and no inventory. You create it once and sell it an unlimited number of times. Use platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. Combine this with a blog or email list and you've got a passive money machine. 6, invest in dividend stocks. 45 SEO. This one requires money up front, but it's truly passive. Dividend-paying stocks reward you with quarterly payouts just for holding them. Use apps like Robinhood, M1 Finance, or Webull. Reinvest your dividends and watch your wealth grow over time. 7, create a print-on-demand store. 45 sec. With services like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring, you can sell t-shirts, mugs, and wall art without inventory. Upload your designs and the platform prints and ships it when someone buys. It's passive, scalable, and great for creatives or AI design tools like Midjourney. There you have it, 7 of the best passive income ideas for 2025. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be surprised how fast the results come in. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a tip. Got questions or want more videos like this? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.